Hi everyone, I am Professor Shalini. Now let's start with new unit of MQC, that is unit number 6, statistic quality control. Okay, in short we called it as SQC. Okay, what is SQC? It is statistic quality control. Okay, in today's highly competitive world, the main objective of any manufacturer or producer of an industry is to achieve quality assurance. Okay, in manufacturing, in service organization. Okay, because quality plays an important role nowadays. This SQC is related to quality itself. Okay, what are contents of this unit? Concept of variation, reasons for variation, what is SQC, we will firstly see it in detail. Then what are various objectives of SQC, what are various benefits of SQC, concept of probability, fundamentals of statistic, basics definition, frequency distribution. We all have heard about mean, mode, median, that are measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, that is range, variance and standard deviation. Okay, now firstly we will start with basic introduction to SQC, that is statistic quality control. In today's competitive world, we all know this quality plays an important role. Okay, in order to achieve this quality, different statistic tool has been developed. Okay, and these are used for controlling quality of products according to standards and specification. Okay, this technique of using statistic tools for controlling product quality is called as static quality control. Okay, what is statistic? It is science that deals with collection, classification, analysis and making of inference from data or information. Okay, and we all know quality. What is quality? It is generally explained with reference to end use of product. Okay, so what can we define as SQC? It is defined as technology of applying statistic methods that may be based on probability or sampling to establish quality standard. Okay, and this must be maintained in economical order. Okay, SQC refers to use of statistic method in monitoring and maintaining quality of products and system, products and services. Here maintaining quality plays an important role in statistic quality control. Okay, the tools for SQC are helpful in evaluating the quality of products and services. The different tools are descriptive statistics, statistic process control, which is generally called as SPC, and acceptance sampling. Okay, in descriptive sampling, describing quality characteristics and relation, means introduction to quality. Okay, then statistic process control, it involves inspection random sample of output for process for characteristics. It is also called inferential statistic. And acceptance sampling, it does not control or improve quality level of product. Okay, like this tool there are 5 elements of SQC. Okay, we will see one by one. Sample inspection. Okay, we all know that 100% inspection needs huge expenditure of money, time. It is time costing. Okay, labors, resources are required when we want to do 100% inspection. Okay, if the nature of product is completely destroyed during process of inspection, for example we are inspecting bulb, candle or food, may be destroyed. Okay, hence 100% inspection is not possible. Therefore SQC is based on sample inspection. We want to do inspection on sampling, so sampling inspection. Okay, in this sampling inspection method, some units are randomly selected from process and then each and every unit is sampled. Okay, hence sampling inspection is done. And then we use different method of statistic methods. Okay, we make use of different statistic methods. Most commonly used statistic tools are random sampling, mean, range, standard deviation, mean deviation. Okay, such concept as probability or Poisson's distribution, normal distribution, etc. are used in SQC, that is statistic quality control. Since the quality control method involves extensive use of statistics, we generally refer it as SQC. Third main element of SQC is fundamental objective. What is fundamental objective of SQC? Its objective is to decide whether the unit produced is according to our specifications given according to manufacturer or not. Okay, if the unit produced is not according to its specification, then variation in quality. Okay, it becomes necessary to trace why this variation takes place and then eliminate it if it is possible. Okay, fourth element we can consider it as decision making. With the help of SQC we can decide the quality of product. Okay, or we can decide process of manufacturing or producing goods is our under control or not. Okay, and last one element can be is specification, production or inspection. Okay, this SQC method helps in deciding about various specification, production and inspection of object or product. Okay, what are objectives of SQC? Quality control includes quality of product or services to give customer. Okay, objective of SQC is to control material reception, internal rejection which are done in industry itself, clients claims. Okay, these systems and method guide all quality activities. The development and use of performance indicators is linked directly or indirectly, it is linked to our customer requirements. Okay, then we will see fundamentals of statistics. There are two types, that is direct observation and indirect observation. Data on quality characteristics are categorized as continuous and discrete. Okay, in continuous can assume many number on continuous scale. Okay, here on continuous scale any number can be assumed. Okay, for example viscosity of fluid or length of fabric. And in discrete there are count of an event, they assume a finite or countability infinite number of values. Okay, for example number of defective bolts satisfied customers. Okay, various basic definitions used in SQC are given below. Population is set of all items that possess a certain characteristic of interest. Sample, it is subset of population. Parameter, it is a characteristics of a population, something that describes it. Okay, accuracy, degree of uniformity of observations around a desired value. And what is precision? The degree of variability of the observation. Okay, the important techniques which are generally used in SQC are also divided into two types, that is statistic process control, or we can generally call it as simply process control. Okay, and next one is product control. Okay, we will move towards next definition, that is frequency distribution. It is tabulation of data obtained from measurement arranged in ascending or descending order of required measurement. Okay, it is practical method of analyzing the quality of production process in terms of product specification limit, and it is also useful in product control or special process studies or incoming material control, new design control. Okay, what are another uses of this frequency distribution? It is used in testing accuracy of fit between mating parts. Okay, it is also used for determining process capability, again predicting the characteristics of entire lot, comparison of inspection result between two units or sections. It is also used for analyzing the effect of tool wear during long production run or machine tool. It can be used for determining the effect of tool wear on machine. Okay, it is also used for examining the difference between dimensional characteristics of similar part produced from two different methods. Okay, now we will see measures of central tendency, mean simple average of observations in data set. We have already seen this. Then median, it is a value in middle when observation are ranked, it is middle value. Okay, and mean is nothing but average. Okay, the population mean is sometimes denoted as expected value of random variable. Okay, and it is generally called as mean of probability distribution of x. Okay, and mode, it is value that occurs more frequently in data set. The value which occurs more frequently in any set is nothing but mode. Then measures of dispersion, it gives information about the extent to which data is scattered about zone of central tendency. Range, it is simplest of all, it is difference between the largest value and smallest value of any data set. Variance is measures the fluctuation of observation around the mean. Okay, the larger the value, greater will be the fluctuation. Okay, thank you.